can't get behind me. Try not to forget you've done it already 8 times. There's been 8 driver changes already. So just keep that in mind. Right, continue. You have to take the phones down, guys. Stay on the left. Alright, so car number 1, you have a problem with the car. I'm guessing it says EPC. Don't worry, it's just the fuel overheating issue that we've been having over the weekend. At the end of this lap, you will drive into the pit. So please move to the back of the group once you take the next corner. If the EPC light is on, please move to the back of the group. The rest of you overtake car number 1.
Aditya, the gears don't change, it just gets stuck and then, revs up.
You will be coming there. Just watch for the group that will catch up with you. Car number 3, catch up with us, please. Car number 4, don't worry, it's just a small fuel overheating issue. You go into the pit, they'll sort it out, and when we come back, we'll catch you. Car number 3, careful. Yeah. Just keep up with us. Follow the racing lines, that's important. Careful, car number 1. Again, you understeered wide. You need to wait till you can see the road ahead of you before you can accelerate. So you have to wait, see the road ahead and then accelerate. It's always brake, turn in, accelerate out. So you guys are finding this a little difficult to handle, I can see. So try not to brake too much on this corner. Just turn in and turn the wheel. Turn the wheel, you'll be amazed at how much grip there is. And then when you can see the road in front of you, start accelerating out. Aim for the apex, exit, unwind the wheel, accelerate out. Car number 1, go to the back of the group. You get behind, and you don't smack the accelerator, that's when the fuel